Okay, the next point that we are going to do is, or the next topic is first aid kit. Every office, factory, home, and school should have an accessible first aid box with the following recommended basic contents. Okay, dear students, first aid kit, as we know, that initial help that we provide to someone who is wounded or sick. So we should have a first aid kit, and this first aid kit should be available at every office, factory, home, and even the school. And the first aid kit should have the following contents. And what are the contents that a first aid kit should have? So let's get the reading of them. Number one point is first aid book clearly explain how to handle basic problems. Okay, the number one point is first aid kit, which must consist of the following items. It is going to tell you clearly how to handle the basic problems that you are going to face. So number one thing which is really important to be included in first aid kit, that is first aid book. Clearly explain how to handle basic problems. So first aid kit has a book which explains the methodology to treat the injured people. Like you are going to know definitely like how to handle basic problems. So to handle is infinitive over here.